Sorry, the camera's always not working. Welcome back to the video. Today, I did this video for no reason because you didn't know I actually have cats. So today we're just gonna beat them. So first, there's Star. Well, well, as you can see, I'll forget it. I guess this is Rocket. And we have another cat, Big and Fat. And she's been first before Rocket and Star did, but she's not downstairs right now. Well, let me try to find her actually. I think the door is probably doing something right now. Well, I guess I'll tell you what she looks. I already said Fat. She looks like a black cat and a white dot on her thingy. I don't know what's it called, probably necker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.